Do you want to be able to fix TikTok this effect doesn't work with this device? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So basically you need to watch this until the end to make this work. What we're going to do firstly is to first come to our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. Now, when you're on your profile, then what we're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we should now be taken here, which is great. What I need to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings, and then we're taken here. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here, and perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page. Now what I'm going to do is to scroll all the way down in here, and then I'm going to click on submit a report. So click here, then it should just load. It takes a couple of seconds, and perfect, we're now taken here. The reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because in here you're able to contact the TikTok customer service directly, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue basically. So you need to write exactly like this to their support now. I want to be able to fix TikTok. This effect doesn't work with this device. I am having this issue right now. So basically, you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support. I want to be able to fix TikTok. This effect doesn't work with this device. I'm having this issue right now. Now, when you're done, just click on submit. Now, you might wonder what you need to do after this. Well, then, this is actually a great question. You need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for the TikTok support to be able to see this. And hopefully, after you have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So basically, this is exactly how to fix this. And I wish you the best day.